Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to learn and work with a new library. So you guys have done an absolutely awesome job. So we've done some really cool stuff. You've stretched your skills. You've learned a great deal, and you've applied that knowledge with these things that we've done last week with our shopping list. And we're just gonna keep forging forward. So if you're new here, let's make sure we're subscribing and clicking that notification bell, because you may not know, but we have videos coming out every single day, and I don't want you missing one of these or feeling lost or overwhelmed. And what we do here is we break these up into micro videos, and we make it searchable, we make it bite-sized, we make it understandable, because I remember how hard it was to learn at first and stay motivated. So all we do is chop this stuff up, we do it over and over again, and we come back to it. So, and also if these are the type of videos you like, please click the like button. Makes me feel good. It's just appreciated because it helps me understand which videos you do like. So alright, CSV, comma separated values. If you've worked with Excel files, you know all about these. If you haven't, don't be overwhelmed. We are going to go through it. So alright, one of the big things, let me make sure I ran this. Okay, so dir, we've done dir, but if you're new here and you don't know dir, guess what? Pause right here, go search dir on my channel, and you're going to see dir and help, and then you come back and pick up where you left off, and you understand why and what these do. So let's just look at it. CSV, comma separated values, and all that is a fancy way is it has a flat file, has all this information in it, and how you separate it. Delimiter, that's just a fancy way of saying, hey, where do you want this text to break? Because you've already know about the split method on a string, that it automatically separates on white space, and if you don't use anything, and there we go. And Python partners with Excel very, very powerfully, and I've actually read an article that Excel is going to enable or have an option to be able to write Python directly into it, so it will be even faster. But here it is, comma separated value files, and this is another example of why I absolutely love Python. Somebody took the time, wrote this, and here are all the functions and the methods that work inside this library. So real quick video, and we're just going to jump into it after this and attack it and do some pretty cool stuff. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because I don't want you missing a video, and most important, feeling overwhelmed or thinking you can't do this. You can do it. We can do it together. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Put it in the comment. I'll get right to it. Comes to me on my phone, I will knock it out. I love video requests. I love them because it lets me know what you need to see, and I'll make it. So thanks so much for watching. So humbled by all the views and all the subscribers, and I just can't say thank you enough. And we'll just get on it. Thanks guys, see you next time.